Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven, as it is in the internet, as it is in our fantasy of virtual reality. The soul and then the body, augmented to forget the body exists. Body bliss. Half off on special if you sell one today, if you buy one today, if your cellular and chemical makeup can maintain equanimity. In the face of such radiant screens, in the face I scream without a mouth, without a voice. Meet me in meat space, but yeah, no really, and forgive the smell of sweat and skin or shit that lingers. I'm not used to this. And forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who are no longer with us, except through additional filters. Oh, peripatetic beach walker, oh, mainstreamed pornography and live-streaming intercourse, the shores of my flesh and unbending aperture, when the waves roll in, lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil of having to walk through the city on a curve, looking straight ahead or in the eyes, close enough to see you looking back. Remember what it felt like and what it feels to have it in your hands, the sky the color of my television, or else my television's ideal sky scene. A sunset silvering across the high-def soap-net glitter in which a song strikes when it feels right, a voice commands.